So you may have started an auto washing and detailing business, or you've been in that business for a while and you want to know what forms of insurance you need. In this video, I'm going to go into some detail on what you need and why, coming right up. Okay, auto detailing and hand car washing. What insurances do you need? Well, whether you have a shop or you're a mobile operation, you will need a few forms of insurance to protect you from claims that can arise. The first issue to deal with is the potential liability when you have a customer's car in your care, custody, and control. Now, this can occur when a customer drops off a car at your shop or they hand you the keys while the car is in their driveway. There are two issues to deal with here. The first is potential auto liability when moving the car or driving it, even the shortest of distances, and the potential bodily injury or property damage claims that can arise. For this risk, you need garage liability insurance or a business owner's policy, which is endorsed to provide auto liability coverage for non-owned autos. The second part of this liability risk is damage to your customer's vehicles while it's in your control. You may move it and dent it, you could accidentally burn the paint while buffing it, or your tent could collapse while polishing it, causing scratches or dents, or really any number of other scenarios can occur that'll damage a vehicle while it's in your custody that you'll be responsible for. Here, you need garage keeper's liability insurance. It's basically physical damage coverage for vehicles that you don't own, which are in your care, custody, and control. I explained the difference between garage keepers and garage liability in this video that you can see here. It doesn't matter if you're customarily detailing Ferraris or Fords. A minor accident is going to be expensive that you don't want to have to pay for out of pocket. Now, if you're a mobile operation, then you'll need commercial auto insurance on the vehicles that you operate, own, or lease that are in the business. In some cases, you can combine this policy with the garage liability and the garage keepers to help consolidate coverages and costs. Next on the list is coverage for your property or equipment. If you're in a shop and customers come to you, a business owner's policy can insure your equipment as contents or business personal property. But if that property moves, like when you operate a mobile business, then you'll be better off insuring your mobile equipment on an inland marine policy, which is often called a floater. If you have employees, you'll of course need workers' compensation insurance to satisfy the state or states that you operate in, as it's mandated in most states when you have employees. Those are the major policies or coverage forms that you'll need to get started and be protected. But other policies you may want to consider include cyber insurance and umbrella insurance to provide excess liability protection over your general and auto liability policies. What's it going to cost? Well, that's a good question, and the best way to find out is to speak to a skilled broker like me who represents several top-rated insurers who want to write auto detailers and can put together the right combination of price and coverages for you. Does it make sense to buy online without a broker? In my opinion, no. And you may think, well, of course this guy's going to say no. He's a broker. That's pretty self-serving. So let me explain. Business insurance, regardless of how large or small your business is complex. Answering a few questions online or clicking a few buttons really isn't going to fully address the potential risks and issues you face. Getting coverage without a broker or a middleman is risky in my opinion. You may end up with a policy that really doesn't fit your needs and may not be covered for potential claims down the road. A skilled broker knows how to ask the right questions to make sure you're covering your bases and you're seeing options. On top of that, a broker is your advocate in good times and bad. Here's the bottom line. Buying direct doesn't always save money, and it often costs you more in time, effort, and long-term costs. In my opinion, you want to work with an expert, and the Coyle Group is that expert to help you find the right fit insurance for your car detailing business. Give us a call or drop us an email, or actually in the description box below, you can even book a call directly on my calendar. When we connect, I promise, no high-pressure sales gimmicks, just a conversation to see if we're a good fit for you and your business. Thanks for watching, and do me a favor before you go. Hit that thumbs up button. Thanks.